Okay, YouTube, I'm back. We got my little exhaust flanges mounted. We're gonna slide this on up on there now, like so. Yep, that'll be about where she goes. I might weld it a little lower though. I think that's how I'm gonna do it. Stay tuned, I'll be right back with a tacked. Okay, so I tacked it, and the first thing that happened was I blew a hole. But you just put some tacks around that, fill that up, no problem. Stay tuned, we'll be finished with it in a minute. Okay, yeah, I filled in the hole. And that's the hole. It's gone. Looks like a little hole right there still. Okay, we got it all welded up. We'll clean it up now. Go from there. Okay, we got it cleaned up a little bit. That's pretty much it. I'll mount it back to the jig. Okay, that's her right there. Got another pipe made. I left this brake tab on this one because what I do is I use this bolt hole on the head. I'm just run something from that to here, and that'll be the brace for this one. I believe this even screws in. I believe, and then I could just run the flat part here. I'll figure that out in due time. Let this thing cool off a little bit. It's on there though. A lot of slag. I'm not really worried about it. Well, that's what we just did right here. Stay tuned. We'll do something else with it in a minute. We got her looking good though. Got that bend to her. Just another pipe. I had one made already, but that was just laying around, so just wanted to make this one real quick. Thanks for watching.